Okay, today we're going to talk about Ryker 600 and 900 secondary rollers. Before we get started, make sure that you check out the Ryker 600 belt, and a little later, depending on what day this is, year, when you watch these videos, but a 900 belt's coming a little later. Better belt than the OE, made by the OE at a higher grade specification of materials. You can watch that video on that belt to get a little bit more information on it. But today's topic is secondary clutch rollers and why it's important to you. The Can-Am rollers are known to crack and break, and this is a broke down secondary, broken down, not mean tore up, just in pieces. But these are the secondary rollers, and this particular one already has a Hunterworks rollers in it. So in the UTVs, these secondary rollers fail a lot in these, what we call a two-roller secondary clutch. And I got to thinking about it. Well, if they fail there, they surely are going to be failing in the Ryker 600 and 900 as well. The other part of that is you're on the road. You're going for thousands of miles, potentially on trips, etc. You surely don't want your factory rollers to have any problem while you're out there. So buy them as a preventative measure, not after the fact. Most of our UTV clients are after the fact, and some of them end up having to buy a whole new secondary. Some of them have to buy a helix, a matching helix, which we don't have a matching helix for this yet. And if it gets where we need to in time, we will. We have the empty secondaries for you, but nonetheless, get you a pair of Hunterworks secondary rollers. We've been doing this for a very long time. And believe it or not, we've sold over 100,000 secondary rollers for Polaris and Can-Am. And I'm not aware of any Can-Ams that's ever failed. And only 16 sets of Polaris, and it was never been the rollers themselves. So we know what we're doing on that. They're expensive. They're made out of some really exotic materials, and then several treatment processes after that to get them where they are today. Tools you'll need, you're going to need a spring compressor. This is a stem of mine on this workbench here, but you're going to need a spring compressor and then the rollers. Where you buy the rollers on the website, you'll see a video on how to do it. So today's video is just an introduction to what Hunterworks secondary rollers are. You got any questions on it? Todd at hunterworks.com. We appreciate you. And especially since you Ryker 600, 900 owners are new to our YouTube channel and new to Hunterworks, make sure you subscribe and like, and give me some comments down below. I mean, everybody's begging for that, but unfortunately YouTube uses all that stuff in their logarithm or whatever, however it's pronounced. But we appreciate you, and if I can help you, let me know.